Hello, future toppers. Let's make maths simple, intuitive, and fun together. So, we are back with wholesome new session in which we will try to decode some terminology which is given as below. Now, the first idea is idempotent matrix. So, suppose that in a particular question you find out that given matrix is idempotent. So, what does this means? This means that if you will find out a square, it will come out to be a. So if a matrix is idempotent, you can say that a square equals to a. Now, if a matrix is involutory matrix, you can say that, sir, its a square will be equal to identity matrix. Okay, they will not give you a, but rather they will give you these terminologies. Okay, and then you have to solve the illustrations. Now, suppose a given matrix is nilpotent. Nilpotent means after doing some multiplication, suppose it is k times, you will get zero matrix, means null matrix. Then it is called as nilpotent at some day, either a square, a cube, a power 4, a power 7, anything. It will go somewhere and it will become zero, means every element will become zero. So we will call those elements, those matrix as nilpotent. Now, periodic matrix, according to the word, you can like visualize that after some time it will repeat itself. So suppose that after doing k times multiplication and you got a, okay, so this thing will become periodic. Okay, and the period will be k minus 1. Okay, you have to memorize this thing. Now, suppose a particular matrix is an orthogonal matrix. This means if you will multiply a times a transpose, you will get identity. Or you will multiply a transpose with a, then also you will get identity. Okay, so this is orthogonal matrix. I hope you guys will memorize these words and you guys can use these ideas into questions. So see you guys in the next session of MathFlix.